In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize text in Canva. Start by opening your Canva design and finding the text you want to change. Once you see it on the page, click directly on that text box to select it. This is important because Canva needs to know exactly which text element you want to edit before you can adjust its size. When the text is selected, you'll usually see a border around the text box, along with editing options at the top of the screen. Next, look up to the top toolbar and find the font size box. This is the control Canva uses to change how large or small your text appears. If you already know the exact size you want, you can click into that box and type in your preferred number. This gives you a quick and precise way to resize your text, especially if you're trying to keep your design consistent. If you'd rather make smaller adjustments, you can also use the plus and minus buttons next to the font size setting. The plus button increases the size, and the minus button decreases it. This method is helpful if you want to preview the changes gradually, instead of jumping straight to a specific number. As you adjust the size, keep an eye on how the text looks inside your design, so you can make sure it still fits well and looks balanced. After that, take a moment to check your design carefully. Make sure the text is clear, easy to read, and visually appropriate for the layout. Larger text can help important headings stand out, while smaller text may work better for supporting details. The goal is to make sure your audience can read the content comfortably without the design feeling crowded or uneven. If you have other text boxes in your design that also need adjusting, simply repeat the same process. Click on the next text box, go to the font size box in the top toolbar, and either type in a size or use the plus and minus buttons until it looks right. Taking a little extra time to resize each text element properly can make your overall design look cleaner, more polished, and more professional. And that's it. That's how you resize text in Canva quickly and easily.